All right, we got merch. Yeah, my kids call it merch, but you can see it. I'm wearing one right now, and then my wife's holding up a fancy t-shirt right there.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
Welcome back to the channel. Man, it's been, I don't know, 4 or 5 days since, well, probably closer to 7 days since I actually posted a video. In Michigan here, the weather has just been absolutely brutally cold. At least brutally to work outside in a garage that doesn't have very good insulation or heating. I do have, you know, the 125 torpedo heater, but that just kind of takes the chill out of the air. When it gets down to the single digits, even low teens, it's everything out here is so cold you just don't want to touch it. So I decided to, you know, take that week break, learn a ton, and then we ran into a couple problems. One of them that just happened recently was our 2004 Jeep WJ right here decided that it was going to blow a radiator. And we can look over here, and obviously you can see the situation that we were dealing with. I've never swapped a radiator in a WJ, so that was a fun experience. I wish I would have had more time to record it, but we're going to be doing more. Doing more videos on the WJ, as it's going to be our next build, anyways. And I have my beautiful wife right here that's going to be helping me today. And also, we got our new merch. Here's our t-shirt. Jen, will you hold that up real quick? This is our new t-shirt that we just had printed. And so what we want to do is, you know, we have a few select people that we're sending them out to, but they'll be for sale on our website here shortly. It's just another item to help support the channel if you're interested in doing that. The other piece is, you know, I want to give away some to the actual you know, subscribers to the channel. So if you leave a comment, a meaningful comment down in the description, we'll select from you know, maybe 1 or 2 of them to send you out a free t-shirt. So if you like Jeep swag, this is one of those swag items that might be kind of cool. You might like it. I like them. They're really comfortable, and they turned out really good from a design standpoint. I think that's all I really wanted to go over today. So yeah, everything's growing nicely. I've been, you know, in constant contact with Jeep from Todd from Jeep Speed Shop, and then I believe all parts are here. Computer is being told in the mail, so we'll have that here. All of our parts are here, the 8-speed parts, all the parts that we ordered from Mopar. Man, everything. I'm pretty sure everything's here. Granted, I'm sure we're gonna miss something, but hey, that's all right. We'll get through that when the time comes. What I want to go over today is we're gonna be working on the actual engine, getting it put back together so I can reclaim my messy table right here and actually reclaim some of my garage, because we just have mounds and mounds of parts, and it's just getting a bit out of control. So what we want to do is get the heads cleaned up, get all the gasket seals off of them. We want to get all the actual gasket seals off of, connected to the engine block here. Then, you know, we got all these gaskets, the gasket seal surface needs to get cleaned up. We got a method to do that, so we're gonna get doing that. I got the new, we had a push rod that was bent, so I got a new push rod for that. That should be it. We should be able to get the majority of the engine back together. We have all the parts and pieces for the accessory drive that needs to go on. We're going to steal some off of that engine to finish off getting everything on here. But yeah, that should be it. We should be rocking and rolling after that. It's a little bit bright. Oh, yeah, we got to put the new engine or oil pan on there with the new pickup tube and seal on that also. But I think that should clean up my whole table here and get everything back together. So I'm going to give a quick 5 minutes here to clean up the garage with the wife, and we will be back to actually getting this engine put back together here. I'm excited. Talk to you in a few. Okay, we were able to get all the surfaces nice and clean. You know, to the best that we're gonna do. We're not bringing them to a shop to actually get honed down. I don't even know honed's the right word. Well, whatever the word is. Get them professionally cleaned up. And then you can see that those turned out pretty darn well. All right, so we have, I ended up going with Felpro head gaskets. There's one right here. You know, they're pretty straightforward here. The numbers are, well, if you look at it right here, the top is right where it says top right there. And then the L down that corner means left side. So if we were facing the engine like this from the belt side, this is the left side. So, all right. So we're gonna get these put on and we will get them torqued down. Okay guys, sorry for all the fast forwarding. I couldn't really think of a better way to show that I was actually doing the work. So yeah, we are done. Everything's cleaned up. You know, the heads are torqued down to spec. The valve covers are on. I got the push rods put back in. The spark plugs are placed in and just tightened up a little bit because I am going to replace the spark plugs. But yeah, they're both on, ready to rock and roll. So that's the end of this video. We're gonna be following up with another video where we do the oil pan switch from a front sump to a rear sump. And that video should be out in the next couple days here. So keep tuned, remember, subscribe, and if I can do it, you can do it. Peace out.